Here we got another eBay package. I'm gonna box the light now. It's a light fixture. So let's go. Got the shipping label off. Oh, there's the original box. Look at that, very nice. I'm keeping that. It's an Atlas lighting products, HID Floodlight. It's the FLM 9 series light. Came in perfect shape. Let me get the light out of the box. Careful. Oh, that's heavy. Barely move that with one hand. Yeah, that ballast is heavy. I know where the fuck to do it. Oh. Don't want to scratch the floor up. That's a very tiny bulb. It's 100 watts, so our tooth's very tiny. I bet it gets pretty hot. I start from everywhere. There's the instruction manual. It's on a different language. English with the fluorescent high pressure sodium metal halide version. This is the metal halide version. This shows you the mounting stuff. So, without further ado, let's just look at the other stuff in the box. There's nothing else in the box. I want to be careful with that box. Better time. Rewired for 120 volts, hopefully. There's something else. You can start from everywhere. It's looking ridiculous. So that is a set. Where did that come from? I'm turning the styrofoam away. Don't need a mess. I also fucking hate the sound of styrofoam. It makes me cringe. I also hate the feel of it. I'm sure everybody eats it. It's everywhere. Other than that, I like came in perfect condition. It is very big. Bigger than my 150 watt high pressure sodium light. Yeah, but I can barely lift it. But very, very, very heavy. So I'm gonna end this video now. It is so fucking heavy. Thanks for watching.